Hi, my name is Kaitlyn Machado. I am a fourth-year student at the University of Iowa. I am pursuing a bachelor's in social work with a minor in human relations. I am also getting certificates in critical cultural competence, resilience, and trauma-informed perspectives, both of which are through the School of Social Work, and I am from Buffalo Grove, Illinois.
So the first thing I do in a day is come to work at the University of Iowa's billing office. A typical day for me just is answering emails or phone calls from parents, guardians, or students that have any inquiries related to billing. So let's go. My first class of the day is in North Hall. It's the Fundamentals of Social Work Practice. So in this class, we learn about the ethics, values, and how to be a productive social worker. We do things like case studies or ethical dilemmas in order to do so.
I chose social work as my major as I always knew that I wanted to be in a helping profession. I used to think that I wanted to be in education, but the more I learned about social work, I thought it was a great fit. And as my courses have all gone on, it's confirmed that I chose the right profession.
So now we're headed to my second class of the day, which is Social Welfare Policy and Practice. In this class, it's a discussion-based course where we learn about different policies and how they're impacting marginalized communities. So let's go do that.
My favorite thing about the social work program is definitely the people that I'm surrounded by, whether it's my professors, advisors, or the other students. It's a very tight-knit cohort, so it gives you a lot of opportunity to foster really good relationships, and I always know that I can turn to one of my classmates if I ever need anything. My professors and advisors here in the School of Social Work have been more than helpful with kind of my development as a future social worker. They foster a very supportive environment and connect us to a ton of resources whenever needed. So I have been very fortunate to have these professors and advisors in the School of Social Work.
My name's Heather Irwin. I am an adjunct faculty member here at the University of Iowa. I think one of the things that the school offers and the field broadly offers is the ability to think creatively and collaboratively about ways that you can impact communities, from communities that start small, from a school to a locality, a city or a county, up through as big as the state, the country, or the world. And so I think the expansiveness of the opportunities to engage with other people both in your field, but also those kind of concentric circles of practitioners and policymakers and people working toward social justice and social change is one of the primary benefits of a social work education. The advice I would give to students entering this program is be curious, ask lots of questions, talk to your fellow students, your peers, talk to your professors, talk to people in the offices where you go. Community starts small. You have a built-in community in your major and your school. And I think just, again, being curious and open to learning new things and growing in unexpected ways.
So my favorite study spots, I actually have a few. Wild Bill's in North Hall is a really good place to study. It's usually pretty quiet and you'll usually see a couple familiar faces in there. I also love going to the high top desks in the main library with the 2 monitors. It really helps me get some work done. And then any off-campus places to go, I really like going to Brugger's to get a bagel and sit down and relax. I would say on the average week, I spend about 4 hours total working in class and out of class just on different assignments for the week.
And that's a day in my life as a social work major, so thanks for spending the day with me, and go Hawks.